Tanjiro with mask. Landscape page, pencil and eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with his top eyelid. So we go up, across, down. So we gotta thicken this up. We just go up this way, spiky, across the top. And we'll add just some lines sticking off here. Of course, make it black. Right, and then bottom eyelid, just like a V, just here. And then his eye, this angled circle. Right, so it's not a perfect circle, so it makes it much easier to draw for us. And then inside we got a diamond for his eye. And then, so he's got this black sort of section coming around the eye. Just there. And you can color that black or dark purple. Okay, so frowning quite heavily, so eyebrow, just a big tick up and back, disappears underneath the mask. The other side, just here, you can color black. Now we add an eyelid line, just there, and coming down towards his nose. And we basically do this over here. So we're about half an eye, so like, or 3/4 distance. So like from this point of his eyelid to the other side of his pupil, or iris, should I say, here to here, is about the distance over you want to bring the other eye, right? So here to here is about the same as this, okay? Then the eyelid line goes up, across and down the back, right? And then you add this sort of spike over the top again, down to there, and we color it black. Like so. Bottom eyelid, just a V down here, and then his angled sort of eye lines. It's kind of like, it always reminds me of, like, I'm probably showing my age now, but the Flintstones, you know, the wheels in the Flintstones. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but it does kind of look like that. So then we have these black zigzag lines just around the eye, and then we color this in black if you want. Of course, you can make it more, my ink tends to bleed, so you can make it more spiky if you want. Right. So then eyebrow up and across, frowning real heavily, dark inside. And eyelid line just coming down here and across the back. Same for his nose. All we can see is nostrils, there, there, and then some hatching on the nose. He's looking quite grumpy, right? So he's got like a downturned sort of mouth. Some dimples just on the end. And then they have that shadow underneath the bottom lip. There. And then his chin. Like so. So roughly, top eyelid to nose is about the same as nose to chin. So here to here, about the same as there to there. And then nose to bottom lip, about the same as bottom lip to chin. So like this sort of shadow area, here to here, about the same as here to here. And then we can go for the jaw. Diagonal. like so, and then we just on the edge of his eye here, that's where you want to stop, right? So like, because that's where you curve up. So we have the mask on this side of his head, so we don't go the whole way, right? So the mask will come, it'll cut off the side of his head just here, right? But on this side we can see his hairline. So the forehead is normally the same size as the nose. So like here to here, we'll bring it roughly to where the top of his forehead will be. And his hair spikes go across here. So this and this are about the same. So maybe to the mouth even. Yeah, so like a bit longer. But you could go nose and it wouldn't look too bad, right? So different zigzag sort of patterns in his hair. Come down like so. And then we got his scar before it like changed. Right, and we got hair. So Tanjiro's hair is quite distinctive. So hair spikes here. Maybe you can see some of the ear in behind. His earring hanging down, but we'll draw the rest of the hair first. Can we see his other ear? Yeah, there's hair. Up. So like here. Go up this way, but there's more hair here as well. Ear lines. All right, so the rest of his hair. So all these spikes just coming out from his head. And then we have to draw in the shadows, right? So we got to draw in Tanjiro's red and black shadows on his hair. And you kind of have to do it because it won't look like Tanjiro's hair otherwise. Right. So those shadows, those black shadows. So let's see. So this will come down, go all the way down to here. Then this one. So in these areas, it's black shadow. So that'd be red in there, black around it. Okay, so then the mask, so this kind of fox mask. So say the chin, bring it up around the nose. So you got a little sort of triangle nose there. Then the forehead, like that. And the ears will stick up here. Just go off the top of my page. So the mouth, just a sort of a downturned kind of mouth here. Make it quite thick. And there's a little red circle around that. And then the eye here. Actually, the eye reminds me of the Fox Devil in Chainsaw Man. Interesting. And then you gotta thicken this up, so you just go around again. And then the actual iris. Pupil with another circle around it. It's kind of like a bullseye sort of thing going on. Right, so then Tanjiro's shoulders, neck, earrings. Right, so neck quite thin. Going down here. Then we go in this way. And then shadow underneath his neck. Some just hatching there. Neck lines. Shadow colored in black. Right, and then the rest of his collar, his kimono comes down here. Oh yeah, and his earrings hanging down, right, over his shoulders. Just these rectangles. You can draw in the details in them, or you can leave them blank. I'll draw in the details, of course, for anyone who wants to do it. So we have 2 bars on top. And then the sun, the land, and the sun rays striking the land. Very symbolic image. All right, so shoulders. Just go off this way, down. So, and then the white part of his kimono, down that way. There's more lines just coming down it. Like so, and some more hair spikes kind of sticking out behind his earrings. But that is it. That is how to draw Tanjiro with the mask. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.